To fix the problem where your Soundcore Liberty 4NC are not charging, first you can open a case and then make sure that your battery is full or at least above 60%. And when the LED lamps right here is filled, that means it's above 90%. If the bar is not filled, that means it's under 90%. And when it's red, that means it's basically under the 20%. Okay, so now when you have your case charging, then you can pay attention to the charging ports of your earbuds, and these golden tips are the charging ports. You will need to try to clean them, but at the same time not to damage them. So do not use anything like a water. I would recommend to just go for a Q-tip and then gently swipe it to clean it from any dust, and then try to charge your earbuds again. Now, in case your case is not charging, then the reason might be your USB-C port, and you can see my obvious reason why they might not charge, as it's very dirty. So I recommend to use something like a needle or a SIM ejection tool, which allows you to fit inside of your charging port, and then you can swipe any dust from it. And one last thing is you can blow some air into the charging port, but if you're gonna use your mouth, then try not to spit any saliva inside. So I'm gonna try to blow right now. And now my charging port should be clear, and we'll be ready to charge them without any issue. As you can see, they are charging fine.